Welcome everyone to my page. I'm Sheeran. I'm both clinical and a spiritual therapist. I specialise in anxiety and regression, trauma in the brain and so forth. I do absolutely believe the mind, the body and the soul all need to work in harmony in order to function perfectly. So this is what I call well-being within yourself. So today I'd like to share with you a meditation to help your grounding. During difficult times, this is very beneficial and it truly works. So I'm going to share with this now. Can I just advise you to sit upright, nice and straight, allowing all the oxygen from the brain all the way down to the toes. You're sending a sense of alertness to the brain that you won't go to sleep, and it's important to be aware. So you're sitting upright right now. Closing any distractions if possible, perhaps turning off your phone, taking a quiet space for the next 10 minutes, just allowing that time for yourself, cultivating this happiness, this sense of peace, and this centeredness. That's wonderful. So now sitting upright, putting your feet on the ground, feeling the floor underneath you, feeling your hands perhaps resting nicely on your lap. I want you to very simply focus on the breath as you breathe in and as you breathe out. And at the same time, allow your eyes to close. Taking this time to cut off all the sensory reactions outside of your mind. Just breathing in and breathing out. Becoming aware that you are breathing and the rhythm of your breath. The shoulders rising on the in-breath and the falling of your shoulders and the abdomen on the out-breath. Just allowing it to settle into natural rhythm now. That's wonderful. Perhaps also you can notice the beating of your heart beneath this breath as you're breathing in and breathing out. Now imagine this breath, this wonderful oxygen being carried in with every breath. Imagine all the carbon dioxide, all the debris, all the toxins, worries and stresses of the body leaving on the out-breath. And that's wonderful. And at any time at all during this short meditation, should you become distracted, very gently guide yourself back to your breath, your anchor. Just knowing that you are here, sitting on the chair or lying on your bed, a whole body. Now focusing perhaps on letting go of any tension you might be holding around the jaw, the cheeks, the eyes, the eyelids. Perhaps carrying this relaxation through the breath around these areas. Just letting go. Softening all the muscles around the jaw, the forehead, any frowns, any tension, any creases. Just bringing your attention and your focus now to your neck and the neck muscles, into the shoulders. And once again, noticing if you're carrying any stress or holding your shoulders, just allowing all that stress, all that tension to go. Just letting it go. Breathing now all the way down through the arms, the muscles on the arms, the left arm, the right arm, through the wrists, the hands, and both hands. The thumb all the way to the fingers, breathing the relaxation with the breath all the way down to each finger now. And once again, noticing if you're holding any tension in the palms of your hands or your fingers, simply letting that go. Relaxing and softening those muscles, and that's great. Breathing down through the rib cage, all the way down through all the muscles in the back, the lower back, the spine. And just noticing if you're carrying any tension, any emotions, any worries on this lower back. Just for this little while, once again, letting them go. Imagine you're breathing softness into this area with every breath. Breathing this softness into the muscles as the muscles are relaxing. And once again, going all the way down now. Down through the stomach, the chest, all the way down into the knees, the thighs, the muscles around the thighs. Softening and letting go. Not judging in any way. Just simply staying with the breath. And as this breath carries relaxation all the way down through the calves, the ankles, the feet, the left foot, the right foot, and even the toes, the big toe all the way to the little toe. Continuing to breathe this relaxation with every breath. Continuing to soften those muscles and just letting go. And now in your mind's eye, I want you to imagine that you're standing at the base of a mountain. Perhaps someplace in your imagination, perhaps someplace you've been before. Just see this in your imagination now, this mountain. What's your mountain like? Noticing it's wide at the base, sturdy and solid. Perhaps it's thick as it comes all the way to the peak. Perhaps it's narrow. It could be snow at the top, or perhaps it's clear. Is there trees? Is there bushes? Hard edges, soft edges. Take a moment now and focus on your mountain, take in all the aspects. Become aware now of its solidness. A sense that it's been around for generations upon generations. It's wide, sturdy, thick base leading up to the peak. Sense of reverence, perhaps, quietness, unmoving. Its strength and its wisdom within that strength. Now become aware of the weather pattern around this mountain. Perhaps it's a sunny summer's day, blustery winter's day, perhaps hailstorms, perhaps tornadoes, perhaps it's a beautiful fresh spring morning with fresh flowers. Just becoming aware, noticing what the weather pattern is simply like around your mountain. And now, taking that mountain within yourself, feeling the wide, broad, strong, unmoving base at your feet, taking this mountain completely within you, imagining and feeling the peak going all the way to your head, feeling that solidness now in your feet, the solidness of the mountain within you. Allow yourself to feel it. Strong, sturdy base now. Feel now this mountain within you, how it's unmoving, strong, solid. Breathe in that energy of this mountain with every breath. Breathe in the peace and quiet. Knowing that you can move around easily and effortlessly, keeping this mountain within you. The strength, the wisdom, this grounding. Becoming aware of your whole body, breathing this mountain at this time. From your head to your toes. And now in your own time, opening your eyes, but remembering that you'll be keeping this peace, solidness, grounding wherever you go, your mountain within you.